How the hell you choose? First of all, I want to say thank you so much for 600 subscribers. So I talk about this 600 subscribers special. It's been very busy filming shit and stuff like that. But yeah, here's the 600 subscribers special. That's right. It's my father's boy. There is a shit ton changes. Yeah, we'll start right here. Have I ever had to see it, which I just put up like an hour ago? I got like tonight. 4-inch cufflink. Can't see, but that's another thing I forget. Angles. Back hammocks. That's right. And so one thing is two. And doing very much. Bitch. One. Nice mouth. So I had some stuck in my teeth. Wash our system from my from corn. Some with this. How about sister was on spray, but we didn't hear him fit blades. This is my testimony for a month. It's a new socket there, but yeah, it's not gonna go on here. The machine shit, cause electrical issues this one has. It's Harvey's birth best. And by John. And that income thing. 42-inch. That I got from Diamond thing. Harvey Square. Another film from Diamond income thing. Hopefully it's made for this braids and braid brackets. So guys, I'm gonna try to get this once pin dick though. There you go. It's an unknown moment. Just ping. Have it by him. The two customer the two. I'm gonna forget snow routine. Craftsman, god damn it, this weight got off. Ow! Fuck! That's pretty hot. I feel dirty too. This one here is on mode. See? So everybody does. This still on because change broke. I haven't fixed it yet. Just start there. More chain needs to go. I meant to do that, I forgot. Oh well. Because I took the go for this, put it on an anchor. It's a good update. That's why, bitches. I got the original. Also needs to go a bit broke. I need some white screws for like it. Skirt screws is too long. That's why it's in like that. So yeah. And yep, another added thing to two friends added is this Nintendo Swim By. Go $20 for a mission. So let's the mama. Sit the bear watching yesterday. That's a mo. Oh, it's just Emerson. I forgot to. Forget to show that. Bitch, come here, little pussy. Somebody's wobbling noisy. Got some mess down here, excuse me. So I'm gonna get a lot of shit from Formation, also doing a bunch of shit. God damn. It was a good one. I really like it. Oh, my dad and the dog just got back. I should have shut the door, but I didn't. I forget she's on open at 6, but my boy bracket's broke on me too, so I just, need to be. What the fuck? I don't know where the fuck went. Oh well. That's on video. Someone's also emotion. I will see how long we get to for the rest of the issue happens. You see what I mean. Respect. See if it does it. Usually doesn't want to use. Okay, good. I'm glad it's not doing it though. There we go. See what I mean? Everything gets dimmer. Yeah. Alright. Follow along now. And forget my give me goals. He said one book anyway, so. There's one thing here. These two both noisy shit. All these are well. Oh, it's mine. Oh shit, god damn it. I fucking knew I forget to cut. So sick of stuff on shit. It's the mode to craft me. It is much more routine and sunrise. Then it's the lightning that's making noise. I'm gonna fall down this so we're back here. I'm trying to all it to me. Had chest one, but can't turn it to me. There's after speed, by the way. Gotcha. Okay. these nuts. Guess I should these nuts. You ain't gonna do nothing about it. Oh shit, oh shit. Whoa, see? I'm tripping on shit. Angelo still squeaking. So, video quality is good. So, I have no clue what fun with at all. It's gay. Let's get really cool down here. Seriously, let's put this in. Bitch! Is it evil? It's a little electrical issue we have. Someone's running at the policies that we starts the problem. It's really cold in here. We get things on. It's not fucking awful. Ma'am, so far no issue. Yeah, Monty is a pretty quick little bastard. Okay. Ma'am? That really bothers me down there that same way. I felt it hit my foot. It's right here. It's actually right hard. Let me put it back on. Yes, I'm making things away. Try to get this. They get all kinds of bench. Okay. Fucking dressy. There you go. She's right angle. Yeah. Shut the fuck up. I'm super adorable. That one got shut up. What's on the damn phone with? See, I did it again. Ow. Start on some again. So screwed. Fuck out of here, bitch. That's some fucking me. Bunch of stuff on my phone. I'm gonna go wipe up. I'm gonna stall medium. Some books from the church and saying, please don't suck cotton to it, audio. And please don't fall, any of you. That's how I'm out perfectly. What's it? Come here, bitch. Norway. Hold on. I'm gonna turn that one to on after this. Oh, the man. I just don't like when legs and balls fall so well. Us with some of us okay. Dirty cheese are coming in front. And the noisy breaks me out. Starting to warm up. And let's have everything good tomorrow. Right here is what we want to like. This is high. Yeah. So. Bitch, get the fuck out of here. What's that rumors on the opponent? What's so small? It's those orbit. It's World not bad. It's World. Some bad boy circle pussy. Good surprise. That's how I know those. Shut the fuck up, Shushu. This bitch. Uh-huh. 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 What is with me? Oh, I forget the classmate again too. Am I shocked? No. What did you spend down? I cut that power strip off for classmate, so I'm gonna turn off my Bluetooth so I turn the power strip back on. It doesn't. Oh, fan back on. It's hung this baseball, but not a piece of shit, boys. We get it. And no, it's time for spin now. Alright, guys, ready? I have to warm my dick off. Also, I put you guys on the tripod. You know what? I'm gonna put you in the tripod for whole spin down. I'm gonna do it just to shut these off because you guys will see me run a lot. It doesn't look good with my phone. Let's get careful not to stop the video.